In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect or unlink your Konami ID from eFootball easily. Whether you're switching to a new account, facing login issues, or simply want to start fresh, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your eFootball app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home page, tap on the Extras option located at the top right corner of the screen. This section includes all your key settings and support tools, so make sure to follow along carefully. Next, tap on Support and then select Link Data. You'll now see an option labeled View Link Data. Go ahead and tap on that. This page will show you all the linked accounts associated with your eFootball profile, including your Konami ID. Now, to unlink your Konami ID, simply scroll down and tap on Unlink Data. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Tap Yes to confirm. Once that's done, your Konami ID will be successfully disconnected from your eFootball account. To make this process smoother, make sure you have a stable internet connection and double-check that you've saved any important game data before unlinking. Doing this ensures that you don't lose progress or access to saved matches. After you've unlinked your Konami ID, you can link a new account or start the game fresh under a new profile. If you ever want to reconnect your Konami ID later, just return to the same Link Data section and choose Add New Account. It's also a good idea to back up your game data or link it with another platform like Apple ID, Google, or Xbox, so you don't lose any progress in the future. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to unlink your Konami ID from Efootball quickly, safely, and without losing any important progress. It's a simple process, but make sure you double-check that your game data is properly backed up before unlinking, especially if you plan to connect a new account later. Once the unlinking is complete, you'll be free to log in with a different Konami ID, switch devices, or start fresh, if that's what you prefer. Just remember that unlinking can sometimes affect saved progress or online access. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful gaming guides.